What's going on YouTube? Potsy from Potsy's Reviews coming at you with a product review. So I've had this for a while now, and this review is based on gaming with this headset, the HyperX Cloud 2 gaming headset. So let's jump right into it. So since I've used this for a while, I couldn't really find um, the manuals that came with it, but it's a really good headset. I know some of the pros use it, and I'm glad I bought it. It wasn't that expensive, depending on your definition of expensive, right? But you can get it on Amazon. The link's below. Um, just go check out the link; it'll bring you right there. This is Amazon Prime, 125 bucks plus shipping and taxes and all that junk. But comes in this nice box. Here, we'll open this up here for you. And yeah, it's got like some cool, well, welcome to HyperX, the HyperX team in there. You can read that. That's pretty neat. It's signed by someone. Who cares, right? Comes with a really nice soft bag that you can put your stuff in. It's got two pockets, like your main pocket for the headset, and then like a little zipper thing for other junk. I'm not going to go into the specs too much. Like, you can easily find that stuff on Google if you want to do that. But I'm going to talk about my experience with the headset. So I've had a lot of issues with other cheaper headsets where all this breaks. You know, I have a lot of issues with like it being plastic and everything in here breaks or something cracks. I haven't had that yet, and I've been using this for I think 2 years now, and I love it. I can't say any more about it. I just love it. For a headset that's all in one with the mic, and it's not a standalone. Um, it is what it is. It has 7.1 surround capabilities, but it's the virtual 7.1. So that means that it uses a program to simulate having multiple speakers in your headset instead of actually having multiple speakers, little tiny speakers that simulate surround sound. It has a program sorry, instead of having multiple speakers that actually produce 7.1 surround sound in your headset, it has, I believe, one speaker and a program that tells the sound to go up or down, back or right to create the 7.1. So you can Google that. It also came with this little thing here. I don't really know what that is for. I don't use it. I don't need it. I use the USB, and it comes with that there. They have audio, so you got your volume control up or down. You got your mic input and output up and down, and then you can turn on your 7.1 right here on and off if you want. So it's really nice and handy. What else? They say it works for PS4 and Xbox One, so I guess that's good if you're looking for a headset. All you guys out there that are just using your plain Jane, like the little clip-on mic thing for your consoles, man, that is so junk. Come on, you got to upgrade. You got to upgrade, guys. So it also came with two sets of like ear pad things. One set's leather, and I love the leather. I don't particularly like this one. This is like a felt. I don't like the felt so much. I like the leather, and it's really soft. Feels really good. I got a big melon too, so it fits really nice on me. I don't get like a squeezing pressure like some other headsets. You get, it like really pushes in on my head, and as well, this is a completely over the ear, so like it completely goes over my big ears. I know some headsets aren't over, it completely surrounds the ears. They just kind of sit up against your ear and they push on your ears, and you get that pain after a while, especially if you're playing hours in a day. I play PUBG a lot now. I used to play CSGO, but the older headsets I had, they cracked, they'd break, they'd push on my ears, they'd hurt like after like 45 minutes to an hour. I'd start feeling like the pain in my ears because they're pushing. But since surrounds your ears. You don't get that, and it doesn't push so hard. It's really comfortable. Um, so like I said, uh, it's on Amazon. This mic detaches if you want to. The mic just comes out, quick detach there. It's good for the price. You know what I mean? The price has gone down. This isn't the Pro. I think they have a level or two. They've made a couple improvements. This isn't the newest one that's out for this headset. I'll link the newest one as well in the description below, so you can check that out if you want to check that out. But for now, like I might in the future, I might upgrade to a standalone headset that doesn't have a mic, and I'll buy like a boom mic afterwards. But the audio you're hearing right now is from this mic. It's not from the camera. So this is the audio. If you're interested in knowing or wanting to know what the audio sounds like and how your teammates are going to hear it in a video game, or if you're just doing reviews and stuff, this mic is what you're hearing. It is what it is. So thanks for watching this video. The specs are all online. I'm not going to go over the specs of this thing. It's pretty good. But this is my personal review. I've been using this for about a year or two now, and I love it. And I don't think I'm going to change for anything else unless I go standalone. If I go standalone, I might go Sennheiser or something like that. Till next time, guys. Oh, yeah. Hit the like button down below. That helps. Subscribe. Share that shit with everybody you know. Go check the link below. Click on that. It'll bring you right to this Amazon Canada link. And then the newer version, I'll have the link down below as well. Till next time. Cheers, guys.